UK, Canada और US. ये तीन countries are on top preferences for any student who wants to study abroad for a master's degree. But क्या आपको पता है cost associated with studying for a master's in any of these countries? अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हैं to pursue your masters in any of these and are confused, don't worry, this video is going to come in handy. Hey guys, my name is Saket and welcome to Leap Scholar. आज के इस कंपैरिजन वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू डिकोड ऑल द कॉस्ट ऑफ स्टडिंग फॉर अ मास्टर्स डिग्री इन द यूएस, यूके एंड कनाडा. डू यू नो विच वन इज द मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल हियर? Get your pen and paper and jot down all the info I have for you in today's video. It will help you budget your master's degree abroad. But before we start, here's something important you should know. इस वीडियो के लिए I am presuming pounds value to be 100 rupees, Canadian dollars value to be 55 and US dollars value to be 72 rupees for sake of calculations. So let's dive straight in. सबसे पहले आता है आपका IELTS prep fee और exam fee. To study in any of these countries, you will have to prove your English language proficiency and what's better than IELTS. मैं हमेशा IELTS recommend करता हूँ अपने videos में because it is the most widely accepted test. Majority सारी universities will accept IELTS as a language proof. Coming to IELTS coaching, if you enroll at a local institution, आपका IELTS prep होगा around 5 to 10k per month. So let's suppose if you take coaching for 2 months, then 20k roughly. But you can save 19k straight away by enrolling for Leap IELTS. हमारे programs start होते हैं just at 99 rupees and at the stretch, you will spend 1000 on your IELTS prep. Let's add 1000 as your IELTS prep fee in addition to 14,700 for your IELTS exam fee, either paper or computer based. Second component है आपका application fee. Majority universities US में और Canada में will charge an application fee जो कि around $100 है एक university की. So to make sure that you receive an admit from at least one university, मैं highly recommend करूँगा to apply to 3 universities on a minimum. So for both countries, the application fee will be 300 US and 300 Canadian dollars, which in Indian currency would be 21,600 for United States and 16,500 rupees for Canada. UK की majority universities will not charge any application fee, कुछ top universities को छोड़ के. So इस वीडियो के लिए let's assume application fee for the UK universities to be 0. इसके बाद अगला component आता है आपकी tuition fee. So on an average, अगर हम British universities की बात करें, they'll charge 15,000 pounds for the full master's degree program, which will be 15 lakh rupees. For US and Canada, दोनों countries में 2 साल की masters है, and Canada की average master's fee for 1 year is around $22,000, which for 2 years will be $44,000. Indian currency में ये हुआ 24 lakhs 20,000 rupees. For the US, let us assume the average tuition fee to be $25,000 US, जो कि 2 साल के लिए हुआ $50,000 और 36 लाख रुपीस. Do note that कि आपकी tuition fee will vary as per your program, type of university and university's ranking as well. Next up है हमारे living cost. So living cost will vary as per the country. इसमें we will take into account recommended minimum living cost required by each country and for every year of study. UK में an ideal amount we can take is around 12,000 pounds for the whole year, जो कि होगा around 12 lakh rupees for the full program. Canada में IRCC recommends 10,200 Canadian dollars per annum, but that's the minimum and actual amount is bit on a higher side. अगर हम calculate करें cost of books, socializing and personal expenses, an ideal amount will be around $15,000 per annum, which will be 30k for 2 years, which equals 16.5 lakh rupees. US में I will say an ideal amount to be $18,000 per annum, which will be $36,000 or 25 lakhs 92,000 for 2 years. Living cost आपके वेरी करेंगे as per your spending habits as well. अगला component आपका आता है visa fee. So इस factor में UK is the most expensive with student visa application fee of 348 pounds or 34,800 rupees. Canada का student permit will cost you $150 or 8,250 rupees. For the US, it's going to cost you $160 or 11,520 rupees. Next up is your medical insurance. UK में you have to pay the IHS or immigration health surcharge, which for 1 year program plus 4 months additional visa duration will be 705 pounds or 70,050 rupees. Canada में काफ़ी provinces will offer you some sort of medical cover, whereas some provinces will not. For sake of calculations, let us assume $1,500 for 2 years as your health insurance, which will be 82,500 rupees. And for the US, insurance varies, but on average it is $1,000 per annum. So for 2 years it will be $2,000 or 1,44,000 rupees. Lastly, बात करते हैं air tickets के बारे में. So in peak travel times such as January or September, when most international students travel to these countries, आपके air tickets are generally expensive. So one-way ticket to the UK will set you back for around 30,000 rupees and for both US and Canada around 50,000 rupees. It is assumed that you book the tickets at least 2 weeks in advance. So अब calculate करते हैं आपके total cost. Studying for a master's in the UK will set you back for around 28,51,000 rupees or 28,510 British pounds. Studying for a master's in Canada will cost you 42,42,950 rupees or 77,145 Canadian dollars. And studying for a master's in the USA will set you back for around 64,34,820 rupees or 89,373 US dollars. So looking at the figures, the UK turns out to be the cheapest of all the countries and US the most expensive. The one-year masters is one factor that works in UK's favor. Canada is also affordable considering the masters is for 2 years and UK से compare करो तो it's only 12 to 13 lakhs more expensive. Also UK में आपको 10 to 12 lakhs और ऐड करके काफ़ी अच्छी universities मिल जाएंगी that are also world ranking. For instance, taking above calculations in consideration, you can get a master's degree from LSE, King's, Nottingham and Manchester in around 40 to 42 lakh rupees. All in all, I can sum up that a British Masters is a great value for money. बाकी आपकी अपनी preferences पे भी depend करता है. US and Canada अपने longer program duration के reason से turn out to be more expensive. Hope you liked today's cost comparison. Do let me know in the comments below what country are you choosing and you can post your queries. I'll be happy to answer them. And before you leave, do hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll catch up in the next one.